Guys, hello from Kyiv. Misha and I are at the Independence Square, and to be honest, I plan today to do another video about all these negotiations, all this game with Putin, and I checked many articles, but with our neighbor terrorist Russia, we can't plan anything because last night they attacked massively again Ukraine. I just posted my video yesterday, went to bed, it was almost 1 a.m. Air sirens went off, and it was off something approximately 7 a.m. What's surprising, that some drones were coming to Kyiv, but I heard nothing, and I also messaged to my grandma, to Borispil, on different areas in Kyiv, and it was quiet, and I decided to go to bed. This morning I checked the news and I see that the third time during October, Russia again massively attacked our energy grid. And our DTEC, let's say energy company, reported that the massive attack was on thermal power plants this night, and mostly I added also the map of the more or less route of the rockets and shaheds. Many of them were going south and on their west. So all in all, it was 623 aerial targets. I will add to my report about missiles and drones, and sadly many of them actually reached their place. So yeah, again, massive attack, and the worst, it's in Vinnytsia district. 7-year-old girl died, killed actually. Zaporizhia, the building, residential building, like dormitory, was destroyed. I see the interview with people from there. Up until now, 23 people injured and 2 men killed. Because of some power outages in Mykolaiv region, many trains are running with delay. So I collect all the list and did the post for my Instagram. Also going to post this all to YouTube. Post like with the text, maybe more people will read the text. Also adding this to the video. So trying to put this on different platforms and different style of information, written and as a video. So guys, let's talk about the news. And by the way, according to our Ukrenergo, because of the attack, I forgot to mention, all the regions has the electricity shortages today from 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. and later it was rescheduled from 3 p.m. till 7 p.m. So far in the center, I don't know, in this area, quiet. I didn't hear any of generators. So maybe later, or maybe this time was already passed by. So guys, let's start our news updates. My video that I prepared for today, I saved for quiet day, let's say. There are plenty of topics to discuss, and I didn't want to mix everything in one video, especially after these huge attacks. And we will see the consequences, because even though Russia targeted in Lviv and Ivano-Frankivsk area thermal and energy grid, it could affect Kyiv and everything, because it's on one system with thermal and energy grid and electricity. And by the way, the heating started in Kyiv. I don't have heating in my home, but in the left bank, in the north and the left bank Croatia, people already have, maybe in other areas as well. So within 6 more days, hopefully we all will have heating, but honestly, it's not chilly October. So like that. What's to say more? Also the good news. We collected the full amount of money for the car for the front lines, even a little bit more than 5,500 euros. So really, thank you so much, guys. We completed the car during the autumn season, and next one maybe I took a part in winter season. So cannot wait for the photo with the stickers and the name of the donors. So really, thank you so much. This was the link for the Car for Ukraine, and we and other YouTubers collecting the money for the Car for the front lines. So what's to say more? In summer we did the same and complete this money for the car. So guys, thank you as always for your supporting. A little bit windy in Kyiv, and I don't know actually how to make the videos because it's getting dark earlier. This Sunday we switch our time 1 hour forward, so the sunset now is 4 p.m. 40 minutes, so a little bit complicated, but tomorrow I'm planning to do the video before sunset and after, because today is Halloween and I want to see how our restaurants is getting ready for Halloween. But to be honest, we don't need to make our city and Ukraine looks spooky, scary, because that is like every night in Kyiv already, and all around Ukraine it's already scary enough, it's we have enough stress, so not sure if you need the decorations. But anyway, it's nice to walk around and see how the restaurants and bar preparing and what cakes they have. So going to walk tomorrow for a while in Kyiv. And yeah guys, as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for your coffees, matchas, and everything, all your support. And the most important, that is staying together with Ukraine. Let's start news updates with numbers, with cities, and walk a little bit on the Krushatek Street this evening.
Дякую.
Yeah, thankfully they don't need this generator right now. Yeah, lots of people in Krushatek. It's not really cold, but a little bit cold wind. So guys, I decided to stay in one place and do the video, because walking with this wind is kind of, I don't know, annoying. So, about the numbers, as I said before, according to our air defense results, 623 air targets were coming to Ukraine, and among them it was 592 drones, 7 Kalibr cruise missiles, 1 Iskander-K cruise missiles, 21 Kh-101 cruise missiles, and 2 guided Kh-59 cruise missiles. And however, 16 missiles and 63 air attack drones hit targets across 20 locations. So, and the regional consequences. In Vinnytsia, they have the problems with the electricity. In Vinnytsia region, 7 years old child died, and their kindergarten was not working, and residential buildings, vehicles, and infrastructure damaged. And it was in the city Ladizhin, in Vinnytsia region, there without electricity, heating, and water. In Zaporizhia, this was attack that I said before. They hit the residential buildings, and not only dormitory, 23 injured, including 6 children. 2 men were killed and 12 apartment buildings damaged. On the video and photo, you see one that damaged the most, and emergency services working on site. Kyiv region city Borispil. A woman was injured in a drone strike and hospitalized, and the private home caught on fire, cars and buildings also damaged. In Dnipro city, it was this morning, then missile target, or I checked one reports about infrastructure facility, and another and about like some company. So then no much details about Dnipro, what they actually hit this morning. In Sumy, also during the day I saw the video how drone hit the place where you get like petrol station. And I saw photo and video, they close to epicenter, our shopping center, and 4 people injured. Thankfully no one killed. In Cherkasy region, it was fire on the farm because of the Russian strike, and 1 animal killed, no civilians casualties. So in Ivano-Frankivsk region, close to Karpaty, also in Lviv I see reports, like Lviv region they target, so actually you can see all these areas in the map. In Lviv region they target energy infrastructure, our TES, thermal energy station, and Ivano-Frankivsk, a critical infrastructure facility, was hit in the morning attack. Yeah, and about the transport disruptions, I mentioned about the train. According to our Ukrainian railways, and yeah, there are several routes from Odessa and Zaporizhia are delayed. So like that. And what else I want to say about all this? According to our President Zelensky, I see what he mentioned in his reports, that the most difficult situation in the front right now is in Pokrovsk direction. So actually, that's almost it for today. But this evening, before I decided to do the video, oh my God, what is that? Before I decided to do the video, our mayor, it was maybe like 5 p.m. or so, wrote that in our delivery company, Ukrposhta.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, hi. In Ukrposhta.
Hello, how are you? I am Nicholas.
Yeah, good.
Стой. Как тебя
Не
зовут?
хочу.
Да стой.
Я не хочу.
Чего?
Не хочу. Like, I don't want to. I say like 3 times. I don't want to stand and talk to him. Okay, what did I want to say? About our delivery company, Ukrposhta. Our mayor Klichko reported that the package was explored. So their emergency service came, and was in Solominsky district, and see the consequences of the attack. And up until now, there are 5 workers are injured. So I don't know what is this, because time to time I see the military cars of our guys in Kyiv that park randomly in the center or in different districts are explored because someone put the bomb inside. So you know, we live in these times, and many Russian spies or collaborators are working. So about the delivery package that explore in Ukrposhta, we will see more information. So what's else to say? What else to say? Yeah, thankfully I don't see any power outages. I see only generators that stay in on the street. And actually, most probably that's it for today. A little bit loud here, and just showing you generator and go. Yeah, that is generator. Like every business should have generators now. I see one inside there. Like without generator, you can run your business in Ukraine during a full-scale invasion. One more generator here. yeah, I'm so glad everything is off now. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope to see you soon, tomorrow. Let's see how is Kyiv celebrating Halloween, like restaurants and different decorations, people wearing some costumes. And I hope you have a great celebration too. I know it's amazing in New York. I'm going to check some photos tomorrow, so it's like a huge party on the streets. Many people going there, especially for Halloween. And what I want to say else? YouTube. I checked different like helpful information how to run your channel, and YouTube offers like to choose the special dates for the audience for posting the content. And of course, I even don't mention about that you cannot make any photos of Russian attacks with injured, because a lot of these things are deleted from Instagram, from YouTube, as my latest post. And I also thinking like how you can choose the day where you're going to post your content, because we live in chaotic, and I feel like my reports are also very chaotic, because I never know, like you can prepare in one video for, because we live in war is always a chaos, and how you can be ready with your content, because you can choose the day and the topic what to talk about, but there is some attacks happening, and imagine you like posting the video not about that, you posting the video about something else. So kind of, you know, working in the news during the war, it's, you have no schedule at all. Like last attack was on Saturday and Sunday in Kyiv, and I see many Ukrainian TV channels came to report, and usually like Sunday, I bet many people had the day off, and this crew shouldn't be go for reports outside something. I'm just like thinking, you know, like this habits work. So you report whenever it's something to report. So guys, thank you so much, and see you tomorrow, and wish you good Halloween. No, actually we celebrated Halloween first. Yeah, I confused. And yeah, wish you everything the best, let's say. And for us, it's the quiet night and good sleep. Thank you guys so much, and for supporting Kyiv, Ukraine, for all your help, and see you. Misha saying goodbye, and Tanya, oh my God, Tanya saying goodbye too.